tell you, when I got a truck, when I got my truck, when I became a service technician, I was terrified, terrified, because I had always been with another technician, you know, and I always had somebody there holding my hand or training me or showing me the way to do things. And now it was going to be, now I'm going to be on my own, and I'm going to go out and I'm going to deal with customers, and I'm going to be expected to know what I'm doing. And here's the thing: it's good to be afraid. It's good to have a little bit of fear, I think, for these guys when they're new. But what happens is that fear turns into confidence. They go out and they realize that, okay, they've had this training and they've done this over the last year or however long it's taken them. And they know, they go out, oh, I know what that is. I know what that problem is. I can fix that. And then they fix it and they get a little bit of confidence. And they come back and they call me and tell me, guess what I did? You know, I just fixed this. This was what was going on, you know. And you can just see it start to build in them, you know. And we talk about this all the time. I think, and Jude probably back me up on this, I think it's probably a good 5 years of doing this job, 5 years of being in the field before you're really confident in what you're doing.
Sure.
You know, so that first year of training, which is, you know, you're kind of in the nest. And then that next couple of years after that is when you really start to build your skills in the field and really start to, you know, for me, I have to either break it or I have to figure it out. Maybe I don't know, but I have to figure out what the problem is on my own before I really progress with the knowledge and the skills that I have.
Well, and also just, you know, your confidence starts to become better and better because of the work that you actually put in.
Right.
You know, if you never do the training and you were put out on a job, there's no confidence there. But I mean, obviously the work and the hard work that you put into the training really helps, I think, set your confidence for, you know, being out there as a tech. And then you get rolling. Obviously, you're going to run into some issues, but it's no different than, you know, athletics or anything else, is that, you know, your confidence is in how you approached the job and to learn the job. And if you have that skill set, you've been working so hard in the classroom and reading books and asking questions and so on and so forth, and you know, that's really going to help, I think, the technician excel a little bit further.